Hey y'all, what's up, what's poppin', what's going on? We're just gonna jump right into the video. So today I'm doing a get ready with me. I'm not really feeling my best, but like the picture in my bathroom says, no matter how you feel, get up, dress up, show up, and never give up. So despite how I'm feeling, I'm gonna get myself together and we're gonna have a great positive day. So I'm gonna start off with a shower and all of that. I brush my teeth and stuff off camera because I'm not about to brush my teeth with y'all. That's too much. So this is me out the shower, feeling good, feeling great. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize the skin. You gotta moisturize the melanin. You already know. So that's just what I'm doing here. Then I'm just gonna put on some lounge clothes because I'm not doing too much. I put both of my legs in one of the shorts whole, like. But yeah, I'm not doing too much, so I'm just gonna keep it simple or whatever. So I'm just putting on a tank top. It's starting to get really hot, so y'all know how that is. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my lips, and then I'm gonna go right into my skincare. And I'm a little lock sticking out on the side, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my face. But yeah, like days like this, I like to just pull myself up, get myself together. It makes me feel better. You know, we're human, and I'm human, and sometimes, you know, you're just not feeling the vibes of the day, so you just gotta give yourself a little pick me up. So that's basically what I'm doing in this video. And then I like to pat dry my face. I'm gonna go in with some witch hazel, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get myself together. So while my face dries, of course I gotta go ahead and have a music break, hype myself up in the mirror. You already know how that go when you be in the bathroom. You gotta hype yourself up, okay? You gotta be your biggest cheerleader. And then I'm gonna go in with like my little serums and moisturizers, sunscreen, all of that. That's what I like to do next. But I do like to wait for my face to be fully dry because it just goes on a lot better. So as some of you may know, I recently got micro starter locks installed. So that's me taking my bonnet off. And this is just what my hair looks like if I don't like twist my hair down at night or whatever. So I'm just going to show y'all how I refresh it. So I just spray it with some water. I don't do this every single day, but today I just went ahead and did it. So I'm just going to loosen up the hair with some water. And as you guys can see, my texture be popping out with my locks. Don't play with it, don't play with it. And yeah, so I don't really do much to my hair, honestly. Like, this is a literally get up and go style. I am gonna go and do my curly cues. Yes, I still be doing my curly cues. Don't play with my curly cues on the side. I don't play with them, okay? So I'm just gonna fluff out my hair with my hands, and y'all see it got the body yada yada. That's what it's giving. And then I'm gonna go in with some oil to seal in that moisture so my hair doesn't dry out. I'll go ahead and take this band and put it around my head. But yes, I really be keeping it simple with my locks, and I love this. For me, it's really quick and easy. It doesn't take much to do or style. And yeah, but one thing about me, I'ma lay them baby hairs no matter what style I got going on. Them baby hairs are getting laid. Okay, so that's just what I'm doing. And I went with some even edge control, and I'm just gonna slick my edges around. I decided to go ahead and do a little makeup. Now, I don't always do makeup, but today I was just feeling like in the mood. I really don't like putting on makeup, y'all. It's so time consuming, but I just do a quick little 1-2 when I'm really not in the mood, but I want to, you know, glamorize myself a little bit. So I'm just doing my little routine. I do have a more in-depth video on how I do my makeup, so I will link that in the description box below. But yeah. I wish I could just literally like dip my face down in some water, bring it back up, and my makeup be done or something, or like a tattoo. But it's all good because I love how it always turns out. But yeah, I just wish they would invent something quicker, a quicker way to do makeup. Alright, so I went ahead and put some earrings on because I gotta have my earrings. Like, I am not leaving out without my earrings. And y'all see my hair is starting to dry up, so it gets like a little bit more fluffy. So yes, this is just what the quick beat is giving. And then of course, once you do your makeup, you got to take a few selfies. So that's what I'm doing here, just checking myself out, making sure I look good. Because one thing about that camera gonna tell you the truth about yourself. So that's what I'm doing. And then after that, I gotta go ahead and make me some coffee. Either I'm gonna go get coffee or I'm gonna make it at home. So I'm just making me a little coffee with some Starbucks at home. I'm gonna put my little almond milk, put my little creamer, get it how I like. So I'm gonna stir that around and give it a taste test, and it's tasting really good, so love that. And then after having my coffee, I go into my journaling. So today I decided to go ahead and write down my affirmations for the day, and I do this throughout the day, and it's really been helping me, you guys. I really been enjoying it. I'm a big journaler. I don't journal as much as I used to, but I'm definitely getting back into it, and doing the affirmations have been helping me. I usually just speak them, but I'm like, no, you need to write them down. You need to put them in your notebook so they can manifest and come true. And this is basically like how I'll start my day when I'm not feeling my best. And by this point, I'm feeling rejuvenated and better, and I can go out in the world and do what I need to do. If you guys enjoyed this, get ready with me, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.